Exi utsala ngilala ngefanele nawo lapha ekheristo Umvuliwendlela usuka bulasekele bafethu. Welcome to Umvuliwendlela visuals. Dlala ka yena join the so I'll be uploading my music videos, and yeah man, there's a lot more to come. And so subscribe, like and comment if necessary. I changed the channel from Rizzlow edits to Umvuliwendlela visuals. So reason being is that the last videos have been copyrighted. So they've been copyrighted multiple times. I hate that. So that's just transition it to Umvuliwendlela visuals. And so yeah man, hope you like the songs, the music videos, because I'll be uploading in this channel. And so but anyways, Buffet, for those who are subscribed to Rizzlow Edit, this is no longer Rizzlow Edit. It's Umvuliwendlela visuals. I'll be uploading my visuals on this channel. If you're not interested, it's fine, man. If you're interested, like the videos on Twitter.